All right, guys, we're doing a box break. Brandon sells me the base. He gets the hits, any low numbered, like good cards. So if there's a 101 or number to 10 or something like that, he gets it. He gets all the hits. I'm building the Phoenix sets, so that's how we're doing this one. So Brandon, there we go, buddy. Corey Davis, Earl Thomas, James Conner to 25. Bortles. Here's a big one right here. D.D. Westbrook. Number to 149. Galladay to 299. Steve Young. Kamara. Corey Davis to 75. Deontay to 199. Here's another thick one. Let's just save it for a second. Beckwith, Melvin. Josh Johnson to 299. Demarius and Ozzie. Juju Schuster. Fournette to 199. Fitz to 199. Winston Julio. I think that's a Vicky. Fournette. Dalvin. Or Dalvin. That's got to be numbered. Matt Ryan to 299. So I'm assuming there's a set, then there's a set number to like 25, 75, 199, 299. Pretty crazy. Deshaun to 299. McNichols to 149. McNichols. There's a Berry to 299. Ty Law to 199. All right, let's do a hit. To be McCaffrey, please. Boom. Here we go. Open to auto. It's a jersey, but still, at least it's McCaffrey. McCaffrey. Let's see what it's number to. 48 of 49. Malik McDowell to 99. I'll make sure there's not anything numbered to 10 or anything when I get done, man. We'll look for them. Fournette, Zeke to 149. All right, let's do the base one. James Conner, Honey Badger, T.Y. to 299. Bosa and Taco. Last one should be auto. Taco again. P-Ryan to 150. Coleman to 75. $149. Talal. I love the cards, but the hits have been crap lately. Today they were crap, man, but we're due. There's something big over there, I'd say, but I'm with you. There's a 25, but it's Connor. If there's anything in here, $199, $75 for Corey Davis. I don't even know if I'm probably gonna shut it down because there's no way I'm gonna make all these. It's just I'm just wasting my time. $199 Fournette. Yeah, all I'm gonna do is go drive myself crazy and spend all this money on a bunch of base cards. There's got to be something we can do, man. Oh, I got to get some Bowman Chrome out here. We sold a helmet earlier. Customer hit Bo Jackson. That was pretty cool. National Treasures, Gold Mine. If you ever want to have a good hit, Brandon, just buy Gold Mine or Silvertown. All right, fellas, I'm up here goofing off, so I'll be around here for a while. See ya.